Assalamualaikum students. I am your host Advocate Sethi as we have completed 3 lessons or 16 topics of this subject and we have discussed about the language. So today we will discuss about the English language in the lesson number 4, Introduction to English Language, and topic number is 16, What is English? The importance of English language. But first of all, you should go through the handouts and video lectures of your course and then return to this video. Topic number 16 is what is English? The importance of English language. It seems sensible to begin an exploration of the English language by determining what we mean by English. If you want to study its development, its use, and its status, it's worth clarifying exactly what it is. You probably get on perfectly well on a day-to-day basis without ever having to reflect on what exactly comprises the language. Probably many of you use it on a daily basis or for various purposes. In other words, speaking and reading English is something you just do. English is the language of international communication. Although English is not the most spoken language in the world, it is the official language in 53 countries only and is spoken as a first language by around 400 million people worldwide. But that's not all. It is also the most common second language in the world. सबसे पहली बात तो ये कि इंग्लिश हमारी लैंग्वेज नहीं है और दूसरी बात ये कि इंग्लिश सीखना उतना ही ज़रूरी है जितना इस टेक्नोलॉजी के दौर में कामयाबी हासिल करना। अगर हम अपनी हिस्ट्री को देखें तो इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज पर बहुत सारा काम किया गया है। जैसे सर सैयद अहमद ख़ान ने एक इदारा बनाया जिसमें वो इंग्लिश की किताबों को उर्दू और फ़ारसी में ट्रांसलेट करते थे ताकि वो लोग जो इंग्लिश ज़ुबान बोलना पढ़ना और समझना नहीं जानते उनको अंग्रेज़ी ज़ुबान और अंग्रेज़ों के तौर तरीके सिखाए जा सकें। इंग्लिश पढ़े बगैर हम लोग तरक्की नहीं कर सकते। अगर हम आज के टॉपिक की बात करें या इस सब्जेक्ट की बात करें तो बहुत से ऐसे स्टूडेंट्स हैं जिन्हें इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज में लेक्चर समझ नहीं आ रही, जिसकी वजह से बहुत से स्टूडेंट्स का कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर नहीं हो पाता। इसीलिए इंग्लिश सीखना, पढ़ना और लिखना बहुत ज़रूरी है। English is a West Germanic language that originated from Anglo-Frisian dialects brought to Britain in the mid-5th to 7th centuries by Anglo-Saxon migrants from what is now northwest Germany, southern Denmark, and the Netherlands. This is how Dr. Johnson defined it in his Dictionary of the English Language, composed back in the mid-18th century. English as adjective belonged to England. Of course, in today's world, English is much more than this. English has spread extensively in the 2.5 centuries since Johnson's time. Who is Dr. Johnson? Dr. Samuel Johnson, often referred to as Dr. Johnson, was an English writer who made lasting contributions to English literature as a poet, playwright, essayist, moralist, literary critic, biographer, editor and lexicographer. डॉक्टर जॉनसन ने अपनी अंग्रेज़ी ज़ुबान की डिक्शनरी में अंग्रेज़ी की जो तारीफ़ की थी वो 18वीं सदी के वस्त में तैयार की गई। आज की दुनिया में अंग्रेज़ी इससे कहीं ज़्यादा है। जॉनसन के वक्त से ही 2.5 सदियों में अंग्रेज़ी बड़े पैमाने पर फैल चुकी है और अंग्रेज़ी के बगैर तरक्की नहीं की जा सकती। मॉडर्न डिक्शनरीज मोस्टली augment Johnson's definition by adding something about its global scope. The Chambers Dictionary, a Germanic language spoken in the British USA, and most of the parts of Commonwealth. The Oxford English Dictionary extends this slightly further, often relating to the West Germanic language spoken in England and also used in many varieties throughout the world. All these definitions link the language with the people who speak it now or who spoke it in the past. All are social definitions of the language, describing it not in terms of the structure but in terms of communities. So the language does not exist as an abstract entity, it is something people actually use. English language plays an essential role in our lives as it helps in communication. It is the main language for studying and subjecting all over the world. English is important for students as it broadens their minds, develops emotion skills, improve the quality of life by providing job opportunities. The main benefit of a person gains when committing to learning English is the ability to communicate with the language itself and create connections with a wider range of the world's population. अंग्रेजी ज़ुबान को इंग्लैंड के साथ जोड़ा जाता है जो उसकी कम्युनिटी है। इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज की जितनी भी डेफिनेशंस हैं वो इसको इन लोगों के साथ जोड़ती हैं जो अभी से बोलते हैं या जिन्होंने माजी में इसकी बात की थी। ये ज़बान की माशरती तारीखें हैं जो इसे स्ट्रक्चर के लिहाज से नहीं बल्कि माशरों के लिहाज से बयान करती हैं। लिहाजा ज़बान बतौर खुलासा वजूद में नहीं है, लेकिन ये ऐसी चीज़ है जो लोग दरअसल इस्तेमाल करते हैं। Remembering your fears, stay tuned for next one, stay safe, keep subscribing the channel Fakhr Wakalat, send your feedback at fakhrwakalat@gmail.com. Your host, Advocate Sophie.